This year's Met Gala theme was camp, notes on fashion, and we're listing the most dramatic looks from the 2019 Met Gala, both fabulously good and the extra bad. Katy Perry donned an unusual look. She seemed to have come as a chandelier. It turns out that the lights even worked. She gave Lumineer from Beauty and the Beast a run for his money. Model Gigi Hadid looked like she came straight out of an episode of Star Trek, with a shimmering sequin bodysuit, headpiece, and feathery coat, as well as dramatic huge white eyelashes. It was hard to miss Cara Delevingne's baffling look. She sported a see-through rainbow striped dress, with her headpiece including a fried egg, false teeth, eyeballs, and bananas. Actor Jared Leto had an odd accessory. He chose to carry a replica of his own head. Co-star Billy Porter went full in with this year's theme. He made a dramatic entrance by literally being carried into the event. He slayed the red carpet with his Golden Sun God outfit, which came complete with 10-foot golden wings. Now, of course, Gaga didn't disappoint. She wore 4 eye-catching outfits and had dramatic costume changes on the red carpet itself. Now that's dedication to fashion. If you like and subscribe to our videos, there's a chance your favorite celebrity will follow you on Twitter. We can't prove that, but we're saying there's a chance.